I am a shady overlander. It's big.
Ready for that? Whoa! Just shot gravy all over my arm for you. Hey folks, this is Chris with FASTRACK Overland. That's right, I'm back out in the woods and I got Robbie with me. He's there in his Jeep somewhere, I don't know. Shop cat's running around here. Oh, there she is. Wait, she is somewhere over there. Anywho, we're out here in the Ozark National Forest, trying to enjoy it before it gets really hot. Right now, the weather, we have been blessed. The weather is actually really nice. Robbie did get a Tembo Tusk, so he is doing Japanese meatballs or something this evening. I can't wait. It's going to be yummy. I can't wait to see him cook on that Tembo Tusk. That's going to be awesome as well. Other than that, we've just been here chilling, taking it easy. That's all we've really been doing. I did a little bit of filming earlier. Whoop, I'm going to cut my head off there. That's about it. We're just got everything set up. I got my... Oh, by the way, I'm sure you've noticed we got these giant awnings from Shady Overland. Shady Overlander? Shady Overlander. Sorry about that, buddy. Anywho, oh yeah. Do you guys know? Oh, you don't? So I got a 4x4 Colorado tent as well. So I shot that a while ago when I was setting it up. But yeah, I love this new tent. It is absolutely awesome. 4x4 Colorado, it is... I've been wanting this kind of tent for a long time, and I finally was able to get one, and so far I'm absolutely loving it. Anywho, I'm gonna jump off here, do a little bit more relaxing, and then next time you see me, Robbie will probably be cooking and I'll be filming that. So yeah, thanks for watching, folks. So Robbie is up here thinking about his life choices, and he's
trying
deep
to
in,
decide if I want to film with this or not.
he is deep in thought up here in his intrepid tent, which is, by the way, an awesome tent. So I like,
room.
yeah, it does have a lot of room. I like my 4x4 Colorado, but I think Robbie's got more room, but my tent's wider. Oh yeah.
Beautiful blanket.
Who's that from?
Aeronaut.
Aeronaut, that's right. That dude's pretty cool, man.
Designed by Rayco Design.
Yep. Very awesome. What are you setting on there?
These are my new Hest 25-inch mattresses and my matching Hest pillow.
Shoot, yeah, man. I'll tell you what, if you
like a
folks
baby.
haven't tried their stuff, it is extremely comfortable. Would you say that, Robbie?
Yeah, this is, I mean, it's ridiculous how soft that mattress and pillow is.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, well, I'll let you figure out those life choices real quick, and we'll catch you after a while. Won't bother me, just grinding some coffee beans.
Ooh, stretch my back and legs. Well, now what did the younger me become? I make some coffee and a plan, and I decide on oats and eggs. Blow my cares away. Prepares me for the things that come. Yeah, beautiful morning, keeping me alive when the darkness comes. Ooh, that kind of a morning. It's the natural feeling that will make it through. I have barely begun.
Well, let me tell you folks, a ring of bacon and potatoes being cooked, there's nothing better.
Look how this is uneven.
I've seen that.
I need to even that up some. Can you lower that over there on that side?
Lower what?
That leg?
Absolutely, I can. Oh God! How much?
It's probably about right there.
Whew. I almost had an accident. Now I gotta have pressurized water system on my truck.
Dude, that's awesome.
Gotta have something else on my truck. Yeah, that's what's for breakfast. Yep. Well, hey folks, it's been an awesome trip. I know it's been a really short trip, but it's just what I needed. You know, I'm not actually going out and doing the big long trips. I got so much going on with Overland of America, which by the way, if you're not signed up, go to overlandofamerica.com, get signed up. Come see us. It's going to be a good time, I promise you that. Anywho, Robbie is finishing up right now. He's closing up his tent, and he's got some new mattresses, so he is trying to make everything fit. Shop Cat is helping. There she is right there. Well, she just went under. But yeah, this site here is another one of my favorites. I know I'm always saying this is one of my favorite sites, but let me rephrase that. This is one of my favorite sites in the Ozarks, because you know my favorite site in the Ouachitas. This one here is one of my favorites. Most of the time when I come to this site, it is open and available, so that means a lot to me right there. Anywho, Robbie's got some land, and we are going to go check it out. And supposedly it's got a creek. It's got a spring-fed creek and some other things, so we're going to go check that out and see if we can do anything with that. Let me think. Is there anything else? Oh yeah! Do all those crazy YouTube things. Do me a favor. Definitely subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment, because I love reading you guys' comments. They are absolutely awesome. Other than that, folks, I'm out of here going home to see Mama after we go check out Robbie's land. So we'll catch you later. Yeah.